After replacing and the fuel pump and the high pressure pump, need to scan again and clear the diagnostic code. You need to clear the diagnostic code. Automatic scan with VIN number. Okay, this is the issue of the Ford Expedition. The fuel pump and the high pressure pump is almost broken or damaged. Okay, diagnosis, auto scan again. Scanning for the powertrain control module, pause, and then report. See what is the issue. This is the both issue or main concern of the customer. Need to clear this one. So quick erase again and close the switch and start again, escape, and auto scan again. If the codes is come back, there are the same issue, but no, the two code is gone. So only the coolant pump, it's before is coolant pump sensor, but the main concern of the customer is the stuffing engine, cause of fuel delivery error or fuel delivery too low. Okay, all goods in the hood.